Okay, so I look crazy. Don't mind it. We about to glow up.
Shawty, you poppin'. Told her shawty, you poppin'. This my jam, nigga.
It's a look, ladies. It's a look.
You got it, girl. You got it.
This is gonna be a get ready with me. We're gonna be doing makeup, hair, and an outfit. I'm gonna start off with my makeup. The occasion is my cousin's graduation. I'm gonna do very minimal makeup. I'm gonna put this Glam Glow primer. I love this primer. It makes my skin look so glowy. It also smells bomb. Like, it really does. I almost forgot a step. Let me go in with my mattifying primer because the weather today, first of all, it's very humid outside. So you know oily girls and makeup is gonna be terrible. My eyebrows took forever to do, so I didn't do them in this video, but I have a whole separate video that you guys can watch on how I got my eyebrows poppin'. So if you want to see that, just, you know, check out the description bar and you can watch my video on how I do my eyebrows. Anyways, let's get back to this video because it's already long enough as it is. Okay, I'm gonna be trying, so I went to Ulta yesterday and I got a sample of some MAC foundation. It is the Studio Fix NW50. The foundation is supposed to be full coverage, but just to be safe, there's some in the lid, so I'm gonna take some from the lid. Take the brush in, and it's just gonna be like I'm painting my face. I'm gonna avoid my smile lines while doing this, just because my smile lines do not like me. And they be having me looking crazy. I got this beauty blender 2 years ago. It's by Sephora. I got it 2 years ago. Since when does my camera look this good? Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna take some concealer and can somebody recommend a good beauty blender? Because I feel like a lot of the beauty blenders that I have take the makeup off my face, even if I am just doing a patting motion. So yeah, I'm gonna take this setting powder. It's in a yellow color. I'm gonna dip my sponge in it. And I'm gonna put it under my eye just to set that concealer. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to brush it literally right off. Even though I didn't put any concealer under my chin, I'm gonna put some there. And I'm gonna put some on my forehead. I don't really like putting too much product on my forehead because I feel like it's kind of dumb. But I'm just weird that way. I'm gonna take this brush. I think this is a no, this can't be a kabuki brush, but it looks like it. I don't know what type of brush this is, but I'm gonna take my Sephora and Pantone Universe palette. I can't get it open. I'm gonna use this color right here. This is, I don't know what color it is, but the darkest color as a contour. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. I'm gonna use my green Mario Badescu, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, spray, and I'm gonna spray my whole face. I'm going to take this beauty blender and I'm gonna just push it into my skin to blend everything, especially the powder, because I do not want flashbacks. I mean flashback. What is the flashbacks? Okay, that looks so much better. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild limited edition baked blush in Hummingbird Hype as my, what did I just say I was doing? Yo, my brain right now. As my highlighter. I'm gonna use it as my highlighter. So it's really not trying to open right now. Ugh, come on. Then I'm gonna do under my brows. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it. Wait, before I spray it, I forgot to do this. I always set my eyebrows because I don't want them coming off my face. You know what I could do? I always set them with setting powder, but today I don't feel like doing that. I'm just gonna set them with some mascara. This is the waterproof Total Temptation. There's a regular Total Temptation one and it's in the pink one. I have both. Whenever I apply my lashes, I do prefer to use the waterproof one. My lashes just last longer when I do use it. I kind of messed up right there. Woo, woo. What am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna spray my face one last time with this. You know, it's actually really funny. I do not know what company this is at all. It just has the logo. I feel like it's Black Radiance, maybe. I'm not really sure, but their dewy setting spray, I'm gonna spray my face with that. Now I'm going to fix my lashes a little bit. What I'm gonna do is take my eyelash curler. I have to curl these eyelashes section by section. So curl it, and then I'm gonna take my spoolie. And this is just to help separate the hairs of the lashes. So I'm gonna do eyeliner real quick. Really? I'm just doing enough to conceal where my lashes are. Okay, now that we're done with makeup, let's move on to hair. Oh, for my lips. See, rushing is a no-no. It's in the scent Bubblegum, and it's pink. crazy because my wig actually came off yesterday. So I thought I wasn't going to be able to wear it today. Let me just blend the makeup up. I'm just going to wear my stud earrings that I got from Fashion Nova. I'm going to spray my brush with water, and then I'm just going to brush my hair. I was going to do a wig change, but I don't have enough time. I did damage this side of my hair. So I'm just going to spray that directly with water, and then I'm going to crimp. I'm going to go underneath and shake to add volume. Okay, that's it for hair. Now I got to put on my outfit, and I'll be back when my outfit is on. They're from Fashion Nova. The bodysuit is from Fashion Nova, and then I have a matching jacket. So thank you, lovely people, for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to tell your friends about me. Talk to y'all later. Bye.